What I wish I knew about the power of academic gatherings. How a single lecture can ignite new ideas and transform a community. Don't miss your chance to witness history in the making. The acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Samuel Odewumi, cordially invites the university community and the general public to a special milestone. Join us for the 128th inaugural lecture of the University of Uyo, delivered by Professor Etete Peters, Professor of Medicine and Consultant Pulmonologist, from the Department of Internal Medicine, College of Health Sciences. With over 25 years as a consultant physician, former Chief Medical Director, and immediate past Provost, Professor Peters exemplifies dedication in both medicine and academia. His remarkable career includes more than 70 scholarly publications, over 1,000 citations, and a distinguished fellowship with the West African College of Physicians. This lecture, titled The Air and Breath of Life or Death, Unraveling the Paradox of Human Survival, promises a profound exploration into the essentials of human existence. Mark your calendar for Thursday, February 26, 2026, at 3:00 p.m. at the 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium. Guests are kindly requested to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Be part of this landmark event. University of Uyo, advancing knowledge, shaping the future.